We find our customers are most confused over what the difference is between getting a wheel alignment or getting the wheels balanced. The simplest explanation is the wheel alignment is to the suspension of the car, and it sets the wheels and tires rolling straight down the road. Alignment itself never causes vibration directly, but can damage tires that in turn will cause issues. Most cars exhibit no drivability issues when out of alignment until the damage is done. Using infrared cameras and sensors, modern alignment machines such as this one can adjust the suspension to the smallest fraction of inches and degrees. The initial setup seen here is simply electronically taking any variance in the tire and wheel and allowing the computer to see only the suspension, which is what we're trying to adjust. Most cars have two adjustable settings, camber and toe. Camber is the tilt of the wheel in or out at the top. Toe is the distance the front tires point towards each other or away from each other, and it's adjustable to about 1/16 of an inch. Setting the car to specs in the newest machine is simply a matter of adjusting suspension until the red bars indicating it's not correct turn green. Toe causes most of the damage to tires, and it also affects gas mileage as the car is forced to push the tires down the road. Again, this is rarely detected while driving, and it's why it's so important to have alignment checked at least once a year. Wheel balancing is only to the wheel and the tire separate from the car. It corrects any imperfections in the tire and the wheel. No tire and wheel can be made perfect, so we must use weights placed at just the right locations to counter this. Most customer felt issues stem from wheel balancing problems. With today's technology equipment, you can digitally separate the rim from the tire to determine the best point to set the tire on the rim, fitting together much like a jigsaw puzzle will go. Clearview Car Care, we've been in Frederick for 14 years. We have 2 locations, North and South Frederick. And at Clearview Car Care, we give you a clear view of your car's needs.